Good morning friends. Today I presented the paper Bianchi type fifth string having g and lambda as a constant in a cosmological model. The abstract is, in view of universe Bianchi type fifth and gravitational constant g and cosmological constant lambda play an important role for the study of entire universe. Due to the special cases, it becomes more interesting because it contains special characters and permits arbitrary small and isotropic levels time to time. As the cosmic string is open to shudder and it will produce distinct vibration waves, which contains gravitational force due to the presence of small particles. Hence, it is very interesting to study the Einstein field equation for gravitational effect formed by these strings. So this paper is related to Einstein field equations. Now the introduction. The Bianchi cosmological play an important role in theoretical cosmology and have been much studied since the 1960s. Bianchi cosmological models are spatially homogeneous space-time. A spatially homogeneous Bianchi mode necessarily has a three-dimensional group. Now, which acts simply transitive on space like three-dimension orbits. For simplification and description of the large-scale behavior of the actual universe, locally rationally symmetric Bianchi type 1 space-time have widely studied. When the Bianchi type 1 space-time expands equally in two spatial directions, it is called locally rotationally symmetric. Here we confine ourselves to LRS Bianchi type 1. The metric of this model is given by dA square is equal to dt square minus a square dx square minus b square into dy square plus dz square, where a and b are functions of cosmic time t only. Here it is the metric equation. Now, metric and field equation. The metric form for Bianchi type fifth is dA square is equal to dt square minus a square of t dx square minus exponential function of 2 beta x into b square of t dy square plus c square of t dz square. Now we generate Einstein 5 independent equations, which are this, and here the following symbols a, b, c are the derivatives for with respect to t. By solving the above Einstein field equation, we get the results. B is equal to k1c plus kc integrate dt over c raised to power 5 over 2, where k1 is equal to integration constant and c of tau is equal to k4 be into k of integrate dt over z raised to power 3 by 2. So these are the solution of these field equations. Now we take case study 1. When c is equal to t raised to power n, where n satisfy real number and is not equal to 2 over 5. By solving for the values of a and b, we get the final field equation as. So we put the values in the metric equation. dA square is equal to k1 t raised to power n plus 2l t raised to power l1 dt square minus t raised to power n dx square minus exponential function of 2 beta x k1 t raised to power n plus 2l t1 whole square dy square plus t raised to power 2 n dz square, where L is equal to k over 2 minus 5 1 n and L1 is equal to 1 minus 3 n over 2. Now what are the physical parameters? Physical parameters are considered in this equation is lambda, rho p, theta, sigma and v cube. Now lambda is the string tension, rho is the particle density, rho p is the kinematical parameter, theta is the scalar expansion, sigma is the shear scalar and v cube is denoted for the volume. Now what is the result of case study 1? If we generally equation expanding, sharing and in the last it becomes isotropic. If we put k is equal to 0 in the equation, the solution will become shear free model of the universe, which is the result of case study 1. Now we take case study 2. If c is equal to t bar raised to power n, where n satisfy real number and which is not equal to 2 over 3. By solving for the values of a and b, we get the final field equations as, which is equal to dt square is equal to t bar 4 into 1 minus L1 over 3 into t bar 2 1 minus L1 over 3 exponential function of 3m t bar L1 dt bar square minus e raised to power m t bar L1 dx square minus e raised to power 2 beta x into e raised to power 2m t bar L1 dy square plus dz square, which is the solution of case study 2, and where L is equal to and L1 is equal to. And in the previous slide we also discussed about the physical parameters. In case study 2, if we put L1 greater than 2, then model expanded, and if we consider L1 less than 2, the model will start with Big Bang singularity, which we will discuss later. Now what is case study 3? If B is equal to t bar raised to power n, where n is equal to real number, by solving for the values of a and c. Now here we find value of a and c, then we find the final solution of the metric equation, which as ds square is equal to k3 t bar raised to power n minus 2l t bar L1 into dt square minus t bar whole n dx square minus exponential function of 2 beta x into t bar 2 n dy square plus k3 t raised to power n minus 2l t bar L1 whole square dz square, and where L is equal to k over 2 minus 5n and L1 is equal to 1 minus 3n over 2, and the physical parameters are same which are studied in case study 1 and case study 2. Now what is the result of case study 3? The result is, if we put k is equal to 0 in the equation, the solution will become shear free model of the universe, which is the result of case study 3. Now further we discuss the case study 4, which is the last case study for this paper. If b is equal to tau raised to power n and n is any real number, please don't take complex number. By solving for the values of a and c, we get the final field equation as ds square is equal to tau raised to power 2n e raised to power k over L1 tau L1 tau raised to power n exponential function power 2k over L1 tau raised to power L1 d tau square minus dx square minus e raised to power 2 beta x dy square plus 2k over L1 into tau L1 dz square. Now where L and L1, which were the same in the previous slides, and the physical parameters are also same, lambda, rho p, theta, sigma, v cube, which we can find from the Einstein field equations. Now what is the result of case study 4? In case study 4, in above equation k4 is equal to any constant. If we take k4 is equal to 1 without loss of any generality, we see that ABC will are exponential functions, and the result will same as in case study 2. So we find the result case study 4 is equivalent to case study 2. Now this is the geometrical interpretation for all case studies. On x-axis we have function of t, and on y-axis we have a of t. This is the model. If we put k is equal to minus 1, k is equal to 0, k is equal to 1, which is the form of parabola, downward parabola, and we find the result of Big Bang, crunch, now. So this is all result of my case study 4 and the result of my paper. Thanks.